In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook PIP Calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clear, quick PIP value in your own account currency, which is essential for planning trades and managing risk. First, open the Myfxbook PIP Calculator page, which you'll find under Forex calculators on the Myfxbook website. This tool is designed to translate PIP movement into a money value, so you can see how much you stand to gain or lose per pip before you place a trade. Once the page is open, start by selecting your account currency, such as USD or EUR. This is important because the calculator will express all results in the currency your trading account is denominated in. If your broker account is in euros, choose EUR. If it's in dollars, choose USD. Picking the right one keeps your numbers accurate and comparable with what you'll see in your platform. Next, enter your trade size. You can do this in lots or in units, whichever you're more comfortable with. A standard lot equals 100,000 units, a mini lot equals 10,000 units, and a micro lot equals 1,000 units. If you prefer partial lots, that's fine too. Typing 0.50 lots is the same as 50,000 units. Make sure you're consistent about whether you're typing lots or units, so the calculation reflects your intended position size. After that, enter the pip amount you want to evaluate. Remember, for most currency pairs, 1 pip is 0.0001. For JPY pairs, 1 pip is 0.01. If you're estimating the value of a common move, you might type something like 10 or 25 pips, depending on your scenario. The key is matching the pip definition to the type of pair you're considering, so the calculator understands the scale of movement you're assessing. Now click Calculate. The tool will instantly process your inputs and present the pip value in your selected account currency. Finally, review the results. You'll see the pip value displayed for standard, mini, and micro lot sizes, all in your chosen currency. This lets you quickly compare how a 1 pip move translates into dollars, euros, or whatever your account uses across different position sizes. Use this to sanity check your risk. If a 20 pip stop on a mini lot equals an amount you're not comfortable with, you can reduce size before placing the trade. That's it. With the Myfxbook PIP Calculator, you can turn abstract pip movements into concrete numbers, helping you plan entries, stops, and targets with confidence.